Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS3400 series printer. I'm going to show you how to set up this printer with the Chromebook for the wireless printing and scanning. Now the first thing is to connect this printer with the router. So go to the control panel, press the wireless button once and it will enter the printer into the setup mode. Now go to your iPhone, Android phone or a laptop and open the Canon Print app. Click on the register printer and wait for the printer to appear in this section. If you don't see your printer here, click on the if printer cannot be found. Auto connection. Our printer has a button like this, yes. So we have to press and hold that button for 3 seconds and release that and click on the confirm button. It will ask you to join the printer series, yes. On the next page, select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password and click OK button. Here we can see our printer series is added. You will see the printer series available here. The next thing is to go to your Chromebook, open the settings, so you can go into the app section and open the settings there, or you can also go to the right hand side here and click on the setting. Click on the advanced, print and scan, printers. So your printer series should show up here. Click setup. Instantly it will add the printer. So from here we are ready to use this printer for printing and scanning. For example, scanning, open the scan and you should be able to see this page. The name of your printer should be on the top. Now place a page for the scanning and click on the scan icon. So here the scan is successfully transferred. The next thing is to do the print. For that we can simply go to the files, select any file we want to print, click on the print button. On the next section, select your printer. If you don't see it, click on the see more and here your printer is available and click on the print icon and then it will start the printing. So overall it's very easy to set up a Chromebook with Canon printer and then we can use it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.